Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you setting up joint accounts online, a simple guide. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. If you are setting up a joint account on your Wells Fargo application, then what you need to do is simply either open up the Wells Fargo app or simply head over to the wellsfargo.com and then log into your account. Then inside, simply select open an account option. Then once you select open an account, select checkings account, and then inside checking, select joint account or joint owner. Then enter your information and add the second person details like full legal name, SSN, date of birth and contact info. Both parties complete identity verification, and once that's done, simply submit and fund the account. An account usually activates same day or within 1 to 2 business days. If you can also add a joint owner to an existing account by simply signing into the Wells Fargo online banking, selecting the checking account, then going to the account services and choose add joint owner. Then enter the second person details, then receive the verification request, and once approved, account becomes joint. Now if you are creating a joint account via TD Bank, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your TD Bank application or open up The.com on your browser, then select open an account. Now once you do that, select checking, then select a joint account. Then enter primary application details and add joint owner details like full legal name, SSN, date of birth and contact info. Both users complete identity verification, and once that's done, from the account and submit. And once you do that, account typically activates same day or within 1 to 2 business days. Now option 2 is add a joint owner to an existing TD checking account. To do it, simply sign into your TD online bank and then select checking account. Then once it's checking account, you'll find an option that says add joint owner. Simply select that. Now enter the second person details, and once you have done, joint owner completes verification and your account status updates to joint, and the new joint owner can request their own debit card immediately. Now if you are creating a joint account via Citibank, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Citibank application or go to the citi.com, then select open an account. Then once you select it, select checking. Then once done, select joint account. Then enter the primary application details and add joint owner details by entering their full legal name, SSN, date of birth and contact info. Both users complete identity verification, and once completed the verification process, fund the account and submit. Account usually activates same day or within 1 to 2 business days. Option 2 is adding a joint owner to an existing citi checking account. This for shared bills, covers or household accounts. What you need to do is sign into your citi online bank and then select your checking account. Then once you select your checking account, you'll find an option that says add or manage a joint owner. Simply select that, and then once done, what you need to do is choose add joint owner. Then you'll be prompted to enter the second person details like the full name, SSN, date of birth and contact info. Once done, the joint owner completes verification, and once verification is completed, account status updates to joint, and the new joint owner can request their debit card immediately. These are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.